will work. And I think it has got everything. I wish I had heard more of the song, but I think it's for 2 minutes 31 seconds. You couldn't have packed more. But I think Deepak makes a very promising entry that he seems to be the antagonist who's going to give the girls a tough time. I hope they don't have an unhappy ending. I want the girls to go back after the adventure to Goa, back home unscathed. And I see those guys who spiked their drink, and I want to give them a bloody nose.
And the boy who was dead.
And the boy, how the hell did he get the panty in his mouth? Well, that's the writer Deepak Tijori who will unveil as the movie unfolds. And I'm happy that you got a UA.
Yes, Bhatt.
You should have got an AA.
Don't put this up until my screening happens.
No, but for people of yesterday like me, who belong to a mindset where we were very, very prudish in approach, the times have changed. And I think it has the buzz and the vitality of today. I think over to Pooja.
Yes, ma'am. Title, you got the title. And is he one of those friends जो हम सबको पार्टी के बाद घर पे छोड़ने जाने वाले?
मुझे तो छोड़ता था. और फोन नंबर भी मेरा ये याद रखता था. I couldn't remember my own number, but no, I think that what's most important is yes, the title Tipsy. Ironically, Deepak Tijori ये फिल्म बना रहे जिन्होंने जिंदगी में एक बूंद शराब भी पी नहीं है. My sober friend who's high on life, higher than most. Which is why जब मैं टिप्सी रहा करती थी मेरी जिंदगी में एक दौरान, ये मेरे सुपर फ्रेंड ही मेरा एक सहारा. He would never judge me and he would drop me home and he would clean up a lot of my mess and remind me कल रात को क्या हुआ. ये सवाल मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत पूछा है, कल रात को क्या हुआ, हम लोग यहाँ से वहाँ कैसे पहुंचे. But those were the days, darling. Now I'm drunk on life, 7.5 years sober, and delighted to be standing here with my dear friend. 30 साल से ऊपर से ज़्यादा हो गए ना. I think आप झेल रहे हैं मुझे 30 साल से. And I think that in a world of unreality, it's nice to have a real friend in the real world. You know, my 4 a.m. friend who I can call no matter what. And 10 साल के लिए भी बात नहीं करेंगे तो we pick up from exactly where we've left off. So I'm here to cheer you on, my friend. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you because I met you first as an actor. आप आशिकी की सेट पे थे, बहुत ही सुपीरियर तरह से चल रहे थे. उनको पता था कि I'm the best actor on set. मैं फिल्म करने वाली थी, मैंने छोड़ दी फिल्म. And when he found out, he was like, why did you leave Ashiki? I said, for love. He said, बेवकूफ. फिर मुझे पता चला कि ये LLB है. तो मैंने बोला, और आप एक्टिंग कर रहे हो, बेवकूफ. You know. So we've been friends since. I was in his first film when he produced Bela Nasha.
Right.
उसमें मैंने काम की थी. And yes, and I've been there. He's been there for every milestone. I've been there for every milestone, and may you enjoy more milestones, and may we work together soon.
Yes.
I can still pretend to be drunk. I don't have to be drunk to be in Tipsy Part 2. Yeah, but I mean, congratulations to you and all you gorgeous, gorgeous team members, and good luck. I know it's taken a while to get this out there, and Deepak Tijori, you still fill up a screen like none other. It's good to see you on that big screen where you belong. So I love you, my friend, and good luck, and I hope the movie is a hit, and I hope that I'm going to be here celebrating with you many more.
Thank you so much. सर ने माइक अपने पास रखो. Do let us know about ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया है, कास्टिंग कैसे करी. नहीं सर रुको ना सर, फोटो भी तो चाहिए सर.
सुनना चाहते हैं ना इसलिए. अच्छा
आपका जरूरत है.
अच्छा हाँ अच्छा मेरी जरूरत
अभी लड़कियां भी आएंगी ना.
है. अच्छा ओके.
इनको बुला ले.
हाँ ठीक है. हाँ. So I call all of them.
Now the girls.
Girls, come on.
जिनसे पूछना है कल रात क्या हुआ था.
And I think I've been very happy to have been with these 5 girls because मुझे डर लग रहा था कि 5 लड़कियां सेट पे. मैं पहले 2 लड़कियों के साथ में मैंने एक बार काम किया था और एक बार मैंने पूजा और रवीना के साथ पहला नशा में काम किया था. तब कसम खाई थी कि मैं 2 हीरोइनों के साथ साथ में नहीं था. फिर भी एक फोटो शूट में मेरे पसीने निकल गए थे, सिर्फ एक फोटो शूट में. तो मैंने उस टाइम पे सोचा था, अभी मैंने 5 लड़कियों के साथ जब हिम्मत करी मैंने बनाने की. सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि पता नहीं कैसी लड़कियां मिलेंगी, बट आई थिंक दे हैव बीन सो वंडरफुल. थैंक यू ऑल यू गर्ल्स, absolutely gorgeous, and you've been such wonderful actors also. So I was very taken aback as and when we started rehearsing and started doing workshops. तो एक छोटी सी पेंटिंग होती है, उसमें थोड़े से जब कलर्स लगते हैं और धीरे धीरे जब पेंटिंग पूरी होने लगती है, तो वो जो एक नज़ारा था वो धीरे धीरे मैं इन लोगों में देख रहा था. एंड आई वाज फीलिंग हैप्पी दैट आई मेड राइट चॉइसेस ऑफ ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स दैट आई हैव पिक्ड अप. सो आई वाज वेरी थ्रिल्ड बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था मेरे को उस टाइम पे, बट द मोमेंट वी वर ऑन द फ्लोर आई सॉ सम डिफरेंट कलर्स एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली हैप्पी. गौरव, it's been such a wonderful journey. Thank you girls, thank you. And all the actors who are here again, they've all been so wonderful. जिनको हम लोग बाद में बुलाते हैं, मिलाते हैं आप लोग सबसे. So let us just finish the questioning round. Yeah. So we'll just finish the question rounds with the girls and everybody.
शिलेधर गौर से देखो उस आदमी को.
यही वो आदमी है. वो बेचारा मारा पड़ा हुआ देखो.
And but सब सेट की हिंदी में बोलो.
हाँ, हिंदी.
But when you are tipsy ना, अपना अंग्रेजी निकलनी शुरू हो जाती है. I tell you something, what happened at that time. So, well, I'm sharing my experience about being tipsy. I think the house is open for the media. They can please ask questions to the cast, to the director, Batsa, Pooja ji, Drishi. Yeah.
Deepak ji, hi. Fenil here.
Hi Fenil, hi.
Hello, sir. So I think the movie looks great, and I just wanted to know कि ये 3 P क्यों है in the film's title.
बस जनरली टिप्सी जो है वो बहुत इजीली लोग यूज कर लेते हैं, बट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू इंसिस्ट कि दिस इज रियली गेटिंग टल्ली. दे आर रियली गेटिंग टल्ली, सो इट वाज जस्ट एन एनहांसमेंट, दैट्स अबाउट इट.
Thank you, sir.
This Kainat, and I'm playing this character called Yami, which is the most oddest character in the film. I'm playing Haryanvi character. So when Tipsy was offered to me by
It's like
Deepak
हमारी
sir,
छोरियां छोरों से कम है क्या? It's like that.
तन्ने बता दूँ.
अरे.
So I chose Tanya's character, which has been played by Natasha. I was really impressed with that particular character, and Deepak sir told me, no Kainat, you've done a grand masti, and I see a lot of potential in you where I want you to perform and do a Haryanvi character called Yami, which will stand out in the film. I was a little apprehensive because I'm being Punjabi. I speak Hindi, Punjabi, English both, but Haryanvi कभी बोली नहीं थी. So I took proper classes for that from Sunita Sharma जी, जिन्होंने दंगल गर्ल्स को ट्रेन किया था. सांड की आंख में तन्नू, वेड्स मनु रिटर्न्स में कंगना रनावत को ट्रेन किया था.
एक डायलॉग हो जाए.
ओ फेक आईलैसेस, जरा साइनिंग ना मारे. बाप के पीछे पे चल रही है तू. तेरा डिजाइनर कपड़े का बिजनेस हो चलिया ना. बाप ना होता तो ठंडन गोपाल होती तू. हम पैसा कमावे क्योंकि कमाड़ भी जाने. It's a lot there. So
ये
of course,
डायलॉग
I
ना वो
had
टिप्सी
to
बना उतार दिया.
carry the lingo, the pronunciation. तो मैंने 3 महीने प्रॉपर पढ़ाई की थी
Right.
क्योंकि कोविड भी था और बहुत कुछ चल रहा था उस दौरान, तो मेरे पास वक्त था. सुनीता शर्मा जी घर आते थे, उन्होंने दंगल गर्ल्स को ट्रेन किया, तन्नू वेड्स मनु रिटर्न्स में, एंड देन सान की आंख एंड आश्रम. So I thought I will learn my Haryanvi from the best because I'm working with the best.
Wow.
But coming back for the workshops with Deepak sir, that was an institution. वो जो मैंने सीखा, लेकिन जो इनसे सीखा उसमें ज़मीन और आसमान का फ़र्क था. दीपक सर का जो एक्सपीरियंस है, ज़िंदगी का तजुर्बा जो है, वो इनकी वर्कशॉप्स में मैंने आके बहुत कुछ सीखा इनसे. आई वॉज टोटली स्टन. मैं इनको देखते ही रह जाती थी कि ये कैसे विजुलाइज कर रहे हैं कैरेक्टर्स को. एंड आई एम एब्सोल्युटली ऑनर्ड एंड हैप्पी टू प्ले यामी. Probably यामी बहुत ही सोबर कैरेक्टर है आउट ऑफ ऑल दीज गर्ल्स, बट यामी के साथ भी खेल खेल जाते हैं.
Oh.
वो खेलते कौन है वो आपको टिप्सी देख के मालूम पड़ेगा. So yeah, it will be always close to my heart because I've not done something like that before.
Thank you,
Deepak sir, for casting me as Yami.
So much.
Why don't you go? So my experience with Tipsy has, sir, at this point of time, what, 10 years? 10 years ago, this project, sir had started, and 10 years ago, I've signed this film 3 times.
Okay. So we can write, na, जैसे लिखा था ना, 12 years old, 18 years old. This is 10 years old.
Personally, I don't think I've had such a long commitment in my life as much as I've had with this movie. And जब हम शुरू भी किए थे, जब sir told me about the film and all of that, he never gave me a script. He never told me what my character was. But just because I had known him for such a long time, worked with him on something, and he's just so bang on with everything, I blindly signed it. Every time it was coming up, things went kaput. I felt sad. Then it came up, and then eventually we started working on it. Personally, there were a lot of, for me, like, the question came out of what's it like, you know, with all the girls, and thoda insecurities हम सारों को आती हैं.
अच्छा.
होता है. I'm not going to sugarcoat it at all.
टिप्सी के बाद सच बोल रही हैं. Very good.
हाँ,
Because she's playing Iris.
मेरा कैरेक्टर ही नहीं है, मेरा कैरेक्टर यही है.
Okay.
और वो भी that is coming to me only कि मैं बोल ही देती हूँ. But by the end of the day, I think, apart from the film, we've come out as a family. Alankrita, Kainat, these two especially have become so close in my life. You know, they're one of my bestest friends. I've come out of this film with friendship, with a better sense of humor, and a lot of gumption. So all in all, I think I'm just so happy today that after the 8 years, we're finally here and we're making it. And I think I'll cry, listen you talk.
I'll take a few more questions from the media. Do we have time?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Samir here from Moy Talkies. मेरा सवाल दीपक सर से है.
Oh,
Sir,
Deepak sir.
Okay, so before pandemic, you announced Tom, Dick, Harry's sequel, if you remember. So the thing is, you know, what made Tipsy go ahead, you know, before that, and what's the update on the other film?
The other ones actually canned because there were some internal issues with the producers. So we went along with Tipsy anyway.
Hello, Pooja ji, over here. Yeah, Pooja ji, appreciate your kind words for all the girls. And one thing I would like to tell you about Deepak sir, he doesn't drink. The person who doesn't drink enjoys more than who is drunk.
जी मुझे पता है क्योंकि अभी I don't drink and I enjoy more than when I was drunk.
So I just want to know how the funny girls, how was your experience, Deepak sir, because everybody can see like all these girls, they have a great time over here also. How was on the set?
As I said, actually we've always been having a party. तो ऐसा नहीं था कि कभी कभी लड़कियों को मूड करता था कि मैं आज शूटिंग पे नहीं आना चाहती हूँ, तो मैं बोलता था ठीक है मत आओ. फिर कभी कभी लड़कियाँ बोलती थी मेरा मूड नहीं है अभी ये सीन करने का, तो मैं बोलता था ठीक है. So it was more like a party because I mean I could manage everything. So it was all fun and games, and I think it's been a wonderful experience. It was really quick, and I think one of the best and the quickest film I've made.
So hi guys.
Actually, in short, we troubled him a lot. It was not easy to handle 5 girls on the set, trust me.
That's true, you know.
We have troubled him left, right and center.
We had an amazing time. Hi guys, my name is Pony. The triple P you see in Tipsy is Pony, Pony, Pony going prrrr.
Never.
So I think I'm playing a very different character than I've played before in all my films. I'm playing this girl from West Delhi who is extremely modern but yet very coy and shy and out there, but has this really crazy sense of superstition which drives her in everything that she does in the film. While shooting the film, me and her had an action sequence which was amazing. I've done the sequence on my own, the action stunt. I fell into the pool and I injured my lip. वो फट गया था मेरे दांतों से और मेरे गम से और मेरे लिप से खून निकल रहा था. It was insane on set that we did this stunt together. Given the fact that she's of course taller than me, and we went down into the pool. We stopped shooting for 2 days, but somehow Sir was so cooperative during this entire sequence because I was swollen like a pig, like that. But somehow, I think my character you should see in the film. You will love it or you don't love it, but I'm definitely going to crack you up. I would say one thing that working with Deepak sir, working with the girls, I would say कि बहुत मजा आया. We went through ups and downs, mood swings, difficulties. We had our own